That's about as close as you can get without a glare. Okay, so we have timing belt off. We've got our lower pulley off. We've got the auxiliary pump pulley off. Went ahead and ordered the new seals for both of these because this is leaky. This is mostly dirt. It doesn't look like it's coming down from the cams. So this is the part where I'm going to clean all this off. Okay, so if you like watching that kind of stuff, then this video is for you. If not, then go ahead and quit now and then join us later where I take off all of the emissions, all of the leftover schmutz from 1980. And we're going to clean up this engine bay on this side and this side, get rid of all this extra junk. But for now, it's nothing but cleaning time. I got to get all this grease and stuff off of there. Okay, so time to clean all that off. I got some scrapers, some brushes. They're all nylon bristle type things. And then I got a can. Now I know it says WD-40, but it's not WD-40. It's kerosene, solvent, and some wax and grease remover all mixed together. Nothing special about it. It's just good at melting stuff. So we're gonna spray it on, and it's dripping down into that oil pan. I don't want to get too much on the paint because I'm not sure, you know, the quality of the paint job.
Shining like the sun. You know, baby, you're the only one. You're the only one. had a dream the other night. I was dressed up all in black, wearing my finest clothes, riding a brand new Cadillac. 6 strong friends by my side, gonna take up my slack. I ain't gonna wake up, no, I ain't coming back. Deep and cold, down in the graveyard ground, cold and deep. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Always been a fighter, I guess that is my fault. My whole life has been a battle, but I finally got caught. Shot down stone cold graveyard there, trying to rise above. Way too much blind faith, baby, way too little love. I keep some money in my guitar case, save up for the man what dig my grave. 9 foot, 10 foot, 11 foot down, deep and cold in the graveyard ground. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Cold and deep, deep and cold in the graveyard ground. Heaven ain't gonna suit me, angel can't sing no blues. Already been to hell, baby, and paid that devil my dues. Pull me down deep and cold, where I can get some peace. I can feel the cars roll by, oh Lord, I need some sleep. Rest up easy, cold and deep, deep and cold under the graveyard ground. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Nine foot way too shallow, 10 foot ain't enough, 11 foot will almost do, man. Show me a little love. Pull me down deep and cold, where I can get some peace. Where the midnight train won't call my name, well, oh, so rest in peace. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Rest up easy, deep and cold. Rest up easy, trouble no more. Deep and cold.
So that's it for cleaning up of the front of the motor. We're gonna get this seal, pop it out, put it in, this seal, pop it out, put it in. Then we can reinstall timing belt and everything else. So I gotta clean those bracket pieces and the rest of that stuff on the floor. You don't want to watch that, I'm sure. I'm probably gonna go ahead and sandblast and paint the pulleys because it's kind of what I do. But for right now, this part's over. So I'm going to take a break, and then when we come back in the next video, we're going to take the smog stuff off.